and us. So this is how I, hold on, don't copyright me. No. Okay, don't copyright me, but look. So this is how I look without working. Like, this is no pump. So I'm pretty small, because someone was like, you were like fat the other day, then you got big. This is because I'm not working out. So I don't know if you guys could, you can still see, it's kind of there. But we're gonna talk. I'm gonna shoot this after I get back from the gym. You're gonna see me pumped up. But I want to talk about how did I get so big so fast, and really I'm not that big. I'm not talking. This has nothing. Literally, you guys. I joke around with this. I'm actually, you know, there's some guys who are monstrous, and I want to be like them, kind of to a degree. But honestly, it just has nothing to do with how you look, man. If you guys are healthy, that's why we did the push-up things. That's what I want to talk about. Is that if you can't do those push-ups, man, if you guys are making money, like we're gonna talk. I'm gonna talk about this when I get from the gym, but this is something really serious to talk about. And you know, if you don't care about this, click away from the video. If you are serious about being successful, you know, and getting the most, you can see my own performance. I want to share my story. I'm gonna cut to the clip too. Go look. This is me in October, and then this was me a few years ago. Just take a look. Come on. All right, so I thought I was going to have a lot to show you, but it would take a lot of work. I'm going to show you guys the video of when I said I'm going to get a six-pack, and you could see my growth this year, but I went through some pictures. This was like, what, July 2017, so it's like a year and a half ago. You can see, man, you guys can see the gut. Look at me. I just look at the little fat boy here, you know? That's Mr. Castaneda. He looks pretty big there, but, you know, this is me. This one's even worse. This was in, what, April? This is 2016, right? So look at that. Look at those titties, man. And I'm talking about myself over here. This is insane. You guys see that gut? I was 190 something pounds then. I was a little fat boy. You know, and I guess over 2018, you guys could go see my videos. There's another one. I have a video like, oh, I should have put that one up. How I made $1 million. But look what this video is called. Windows clean. Taking advantage of the stock. Well, just listen.
I want to talk about something. I'm going to the gym right now. The gym that much.
Oh shit, no, run that back, Mr. Answers.
Right
what?
I usually don't go to the gym that much until I realized after even sitting here this last month in the market, my back started hurting, stuff like that, but I wanted to set a new goal, and it reminded me of something like motivation.
I thought I mentioned it there. I didn't even mention it, but I think you guys get the point. Watch. And now we can start the video. I don't know, you guys. Got a six-pack progress, but I didn't meet that goal, man. Anybody selling those six-pack programs, that's just a scam, bro. I didn't buy one, but that was my goal. I'm 3 weeks behind, and I didn't hit it. I didn't try to work it out, because that's what... So this is me now, after the gym. I kind of look the same size. I don't know, man. I don't... Oh, there you go. That's a flex on it right there. But honestly, I worked out in the past before. It's not like I went from not working out ever. I just gained a lot of weight, you know. That's what happened to me. I got really... not active. That's why I want to make this video. You know, one, I want to tell you guys, I'm just going to tell you guys my story with it, and hopefully it inspires you guys, but I'm doing it because I just feel better. And I don't want to, dude, it sucked, man. I'm telling you, being fat like that, and it has nothing really to do with how you look. You know, I said I wanted a six-pack. I didn't get that by January, and you guys, I haven't even seen the clips I just played for you guys, so I'm going to go home when I edit it and look at them, but I'm sure you guys could see the difference in the clips, the pictures, and all that, but I just feel better. And even if you guys look through my posts, I don't get sick anymore. I don't get as sick anymore, where I just feel like shit when I wake up. I have more energy. And now this is the first thing, because I think it has to do with like 2019 as well too. Because when it comes to working out, when it comes to trading, when it comes to reading, when it comes to setting a new goal or doing anything, I feel like everybody hits me, and I tested it. Everyone says, I don't have enough time. I don't have enough time to work out, this and that. And believe me, I was the first person who would say that. Like, no, man, I got to make money. How am I going to do this? And dude, that's such a fucking lie. We all have so much time. Again, how do I have time to work? Isn't it crazy? I'm working out more. I'm posting more videos. I'm trading more. I'm making more money. I'm not doing as much real estate because it's slowed down, but even then I actually have been. I've still been doing at least 3 or 4 calls a week related to, you know, now it's still, we still have everything up and running, and that's the crazy part. You know what I'm saying, is that you have the time. A lot of you don't have, some of you just don't want to do it. That's it. Or it's just hard to get, it's not that you don't have a time. It's most, for me, I didn't have a schedule. I didn't have a solid schedule. I didn't fit it in there, and that's what I've been doing. So this is what I'm gonna tell you guys. If it starts with the push-ups on stream, but that's why I started telling you guys to do it, because one, if you're sitting all day, it helps. But how I started, no lie, I wanted to start going to the gym. So let me tell you guys my story with it. I wanted to start going to the gym because I was going before. I'd go on and off, and I'd stop and this and that. And again, you know, I played basketball growing up. I played volleyball. I was athletic, but I got fat. I made a lot of money, and my lifestyle switched to just sitting at home, driving in the car, going into real estate stuff, doing all that, and it sucked. And lately, like last year, before like 17, coming into 18, my back was killing me. I had back problems. I was getting sick, and I kind of got over it. I would do some stretches, and that helped. But then even this year, 2018, like my back started killing me more and more. And even I remember Conroy was with me in LA. Some of the guys came out, even Remy too, and I was just like, I couldn't do this. Like I had different houses. I was buying, you know, Herman Miller chairs, Lazy Boy chairs. I thought it was my chair. I thought it was, you know, I was trying to do everything but fucking move my body. And it was sad because I remember one time, somebody even told me, they're like, dude, you move your cars. Like, you know, I start the Rolls Royce and the Bentley and take them outside and move them, you know, so that they don't get bad. You know what I'm saying? They said you move your cars more than your body. And I was like, shit, that's a crazy realization. And so, but that, you know, my back was hurting. I wasn't trying to move it. And eventually I was like, all right, dude, I'm just going to work out. And I started doing the stretches, and I started to work out because the stretches would help. I was like, well, maybe if I just started working out and strengthening it. And I started working out, and I did back workouts, and I never really did those. Even when I would lift, I would do just like arms and stuff, and it started helping amazing, like tremendously. Then honestly, the pain went away, and I got addicted. That was it. I was just like, fuck this. It clicked in my head. It made perfect sense. If I'm going to sit here for 7 hours a day, if I want to work at home, if I do not want to move and be as literally as lazy as I am, eat the food I want to eat, because that's, you know, it's not like you guys see me. I eat Chick-fil-A. I go out. I eat Cheesecake Factory. I had last week. I had it 4 out of 7 days of the week, or 5 out of 7 days of the week, and that's insane. But you know, it's better than doing that and not moving again. And you know, I did control my diet. I don't eat as much too. I usually eat like 1 meal a day. I don't eat I drink protein shakes. I drink protein. I have like one and a half solid meals, or a couple small meals throughout the day, and that's it. But I started doing that, and I felt good. And it's not like, now the key was I just stayed committed to it. Now you guys are like, how did you do it? You know, it goes to trading. Isn't it funny? The same advice I give you guys. And this is what I'm saying. It doesn't matter if you're fat, skinny, in shape, out of shape. It doesn't matter. Just do it. I'm telling you. Just be happy. Just start doing it every single day. Every single day, every other day, wake up, do 10 push-ups. Right when you wake up, do 10 push-ups, 20 crunches. If you can't do that, go down by 5 until you can do it. When you hit that number, go up by 5 every single morning. Do the push-ups with us on stream and eventually, day after day, week after week, you're going to start getting better. You're going to just get healthier, naturally more in shape. And then as you start, that's why for me now, it took the longest was what you guys didn't see. I wasn't flexing in front of the camera all the time because I was small. I was still like, okay. You know, I still am small. And believe me, that's what I'm saying. Like, everyone's just like trading, man. Don't let anybody's progress fuck with you. Don't look at the guys in the gym. Like me, I put on my headphones, dude. Me in the gym is like me in the stock market world, bro. I'm in my own little world, you guys. You know, I have my own little stream. I have my own little community. Fuck everybody else. That's how I am when I walk in the gym. I smash my earphones in, and I'm just wilding out, listening to all my 6ix9ine music, my fucking Lil Baby. I'm just going crazy. You know, who cares? And who cares with where you're at? Whether you're fat, skinny, it doesn't matter. What I'm saying is just like, be happy with the progress. It's the same exact advice I said with trading, is that if you aren't appreciative of the little gains and you don't appreciate what little progress, you know, if you can't do 10 push-ups and you start doing 10, appreciate. That's dope. Who cares if you don't look fucking chiseled? You know what I'm saying? That is not the point. So you want to make sure you're getting on that vibe where you're just doing it for you, and understand, because this is an investment. That's what I'm saying. I'm not making this. I'm not a fitness dude, you guys, okay? You're not going to see me. Maybe lending tips. He's a big guy. Sam, you know, it's so funny because I know so many people in my life that have been in my life for so long, and they're all swole motherfuckers, right? So I think that's why I've had some influence, but, you know, this is for the stock traders. I want you guys to invest in your health. I want you, because again, I posted that picture. You'll see it's just like literally, I got vertigo. I got all this stuff. Like, dude, imagine having millions of dollars of vehicles and you can't even drive them because my head was spinning. Literally, my head was spinning. And I have, again, in my back, I couldn't even drive long distances. I couldn't go places. Even then, in early 18, I fucked up my knee, and we went to Vegas, and I was injured in Vegas, right? I had to get, dude, it was the stupidest fucking shit ever, you know? it's just so funny because my mom would always say your health is your wealth, and you do take it for granted, but honestly, this is an investment. You guys, if you don't, you're telling me, and I think you're going to learn about investing, learn about how your body changes, and look how much work you put into it. It's like growing an account. I think my body is like my Tastyworks account. Honestly, I've just been staying committed to it. I think a little bit more committed. I'm going every day, and that's the next part of it. You guys have to have a goal, but it's little by little, you know, slow gains, little gains by little gains, just compounding and adding up. So you gotta put that in perspective for you. You know what I'm saying? But it's what was I gonna say? Investment. Hold on. That's right. Good thing I stopped, because the final part, man, I said just got to be committed to it, man. You guys need a goal with this, and I'm serious. Like, if you set the goal, you will accomplish it. Just with any goal you've ever set in life, think about you've done it. And this is strangest secret in the world, man. Men without goals fail. Men with goals succeed. It's very, very simple. I want you guys to just set a goal and be committed to it with yourself. And this is, I want you, tie this in. This is just thinking like the border wall. Think about the deal with Trump, you know, negotiate with. I'm just saying, tie in your health and fitness and all that. Just tie it into every deal. Is what I'm saying. Is like, there's no such thing as trading stocks without the push-ups, okay? There's no such thing as sleeping without the push-ups when you wake up. Just tie it into everything, and let's negotiate. What do we try to get? But I'm serious, if you guys set a goal, you'll do it. You guys are accusing me of steroids. I love it. I love it. All I did was I said something, and I said it in the video, and I said I'm going to do something, and I did it. I set a goal, and that's all you have to do. If you guys want this is 2019. I'm telling you, some fucked up power of the mind shit, law of attraction. You guys know, go read Earl Nightingale. I know it sounds crazy, but I've already said this. I think I've said this on stream. I'm gonna say it on track on a video right here. Anything I think about happens. It's the most fucked up shit in the world. Even down to the stock market coming down. You guys are gonna think I've been saying, but no, you know, it's just attitude. You know, it's not like, that's the best part. I know it's not like shit's gonna blue, blue, blue out of the sky. You know, this ain't no magician shit, but your mindset is going to make a lot, and I want you guys to see what you could do here with 2019 with your goals, with your body. But honestly, I think you guys are going to feel better, and you're going to be more confident. You know, I was already confident, and I was fat as shit. You know, I could only imagine some of you guys weren't as crazy as me, you know, and everybody's different, but I want you guys to feel better in every aspect of your life. If you have a big pot, because that's the thing, man, when you get rich, what's going to happen when you're still fat? What's going to happen, you know, or you get swole and you're still poor? You know, we could do it. It goes every way. I want you guys to have balance, but don't sleep on things. You know, what I mean by that is, like, don't say you can't do this because you're chasing your grind. You know, I was like that, you know, and I would say, oh, I can't do this because that's just excuses. You know what I'm saying? Be disciplined. Show me the discipline in your body. Show me the discipline in your life everywhere. You know, wake the fuck up, start doing shit, but, you know, let it show. But really, for you guys, just set a goal and you'll have it. That's all I want you guys to do. I think I want you to just be crazy enough to believe that if you actually say you're going to do something, you're going to do it. And how you do that is just by thinking about it every day and just put it on a schedule. This is simple shit, man. I mean, I'm kicking out free game, but honestly, that's what happened with me. That's how I got kind of swole on this. I hope it inspires you guys in some way. If anybody, San Diego, LA, Temecula, where else? Newport, I've been out there actually recently. Those are the places I've been at. If you guys, I need someone to start spotting me. So if anybody wants to link up, you could do that. If we have any fitness people, let's get some meal plans in here. This is the community. Just give it to people. Let's help each other out. I would love advice too from any of you guys. If you guys need advice, I'd love to help out. Any of you guys have experience, I think this is where your community comes into play, guys. So I love it. Let me see your progress pictures too. Some of you guys should do TTF. Let's just do a TTF progress challenge. Can we do that just from the push-ups? Let's see what the push-ups do. Right now, take a picture of yourself and see how many push-ups you could do, and just start documenting. I think you guys are going to be surprised, and you're going to be happy. Because you're going to feel good, and you're going to be like, you know, the best part is, imagine doing 7 hours a day, like the live stream. You guys are investing in something. You know, imagine if you were able to put 10 push-ups every hour. If you could put $10 every hour into an account, you'd be like, wow, you'd build a bank account. Do it with your body. Boom. I'll leave it at that. I love you guys. Subscribe. Yeah, do your thing.